If you're relying on just one income, you're one step away from broke. One pink slip, one recession, one emergency, and the whole thing collapses. Or your kid gets sick, and suddenly, your savings are gone. You were programmed to survive off one check. The wealthy, they build pipelines, not paychecks. They build multiple streams, some active, most passive. Streams that make money while they sleep, eat, travel, or do nothing. Freedom doesn't come from hustle. It comes from systems. Systems that work without you. If you're tired of the paycheck to paycheck cycle, you're in the right place. There's more to life than surviving your job. Stay locked in. Because we're breaking down the 7 income streams you need to escape the 9 to 5 and how to start building them from zero. And number 4 is hot right now. You don't need to start a business to earn money in your sleep. You just need ownership. Dividend-paying stocks are exactly that. Ownership that pays you. You buy shares of a company. They send you a portion of their profit every quarter. No extra work, no clients, no selling. You don't need thousands to start. You can buy fractional shares with $50. Use apps like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood. The goal? Start stacking positions in companies that grow and pay. Reinvest your dividends in the beginning. Let them compound. Later, when your portfolio grows, your dividends become income, monthly cash flow on autopilot. No employer can match this. Your job can stop, markets can dip, but if you've built this right, you'll still get paid. This is how you shift from worker to investor, from earner to owner. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need capital. You need one product, digital, useful, and scalable. Digital products are files, PDFs, templates, courses, guides, printables, tools. You create them once and they sell 24/7. Someone, somewhere, is already searching for it. If it solves a problem, it can sell. You don't need a huge following, just a clear product, real value, and basic traffic. Once it's up, it keeps selling. While you sleep, while you're out, while you're working your 9 to 5. And the best part? You can create multiple, stack them. One product brings in $10 a day, build 5. That's $1,500 a month, fully passive. If you're not selling digital products in 2025, you're leaving money untouched. Affiliate marketing means you don't need to build the product. You just connect the buyer to the solution. You send traffic, they buy, you get paid. Companies want customers. They pay you to help them get more. Some pay 10%, some pay 50%, some pay monthly forever as long as your referral stays active. You don't need a big audience, you need trust and relevance. If you help people solve problems, they'll click. Even better, you can get recurring payouts for subscription-based tools. You make the sale once, the software pays you every month. The key is consistency. Don't spam links, teach something, recommend solutions. Lead with trust. Start with one product, make content around it, track your results, then scale. AI isn't the future, it's now. And it's building income streams faster than most people can apply for jobs. You don't need to be a developer. You just need to know how to use the tools. With tools like ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney and Canva AI for design, Durable for building websites in minutes, Opus Clip, Descript, and Pictory for video content. You can launch products, services, and content without doing the work manually. You're not replacing your brain, you're replacing your time. You move faster, you do more, you earn more. AI side hustles aren't gimmicks. They're tools that give you an unfair advantage if you know how to apply them. You can sell digital services, grow a channel, and publish content, all from home. Test one tool, build one stream, then scale with systems. AI isn't replacing jobs, it's replacing excuses. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next move that puts you ahead. You don't need a clothing line. You need one design and a system to sell it. Print on demand lets you upload a design once, and get paid every time someone buys it. You create the design, a company prints it, ships it, and handles returns. You never touch the product. Your only job: create the design, drive the traffic. Use tools like Canva, Kittl, or Midjourney for clean visuals. Stick to niches: funny quotes, pets, minimalism, hobbies, parenting, professions. People don't buy clothes, they buy statements. If it resonates, it sells. Even with low margins, POD adds up fast, $5 to $10 profit per product. Start with one design, test it, iterate fast, stack your store with offers. It scales when you treat it like a business, not a hobby. Most people sit on money without knowing it. The rich, they monetize everything. If you own something, a car, a room, a camera, a driveway, tools, someone's willing to pay to use it. This income doesn't require new skills. It uses what you already have. And it runs while you do other things. The only reason this doesn't work is if you never list it. You don't need to scale it, you need to start. Your apartment can pay your rent. Your car can pay for groceries. Your tools can pay off your debt. You work for money, but the rich make money work harder than they ever could. This isn't gambling on crypto. This isn't chasing trends. This is about stacking safe, cash-producing assets and letting time do the work. These investments let you earn even if the market isn't hot. They add stability to your income stack. No products, no customers, just capital working. Even $100 a month turns into serious leverage in 5 to 10 years. The goal isn't overnight money, it's unshakable security. These assets don't call in sick, they don't burn out, they don't quit, they pay. You don't need to predict the future, you just need to position your money in places that grow, with or without your effort. This is how the rich protect their wealth and expand it. The 9-to-5 was built for survival, not freedom. One income won't protect you anymore, not in this economy. You've just seen 7 streams the wealthy build quietly. Streams that buy back time, that scale without burnout, that make quitting a job a strategy, not a crisis. Now it's your move. You don't need all 7 today. You need to pick one and start. Whether it's dividend stocks, AI automations, a simple digital product, it won't build itself. And if you want that freedom, you need to stop consuming and start creating. If you're serious about building your escape, subscribe. Hit the bell, lock in. We drop strategic content that builds real income step by step. And next, we're showing you how people are pulling $120,000 in passive income using AI. Don't miss it.